So, hello everyone, myself Deepika Panniselvam. Today I'll be talking about the TradeMinutes deployment part. So, this is our repositories. So, we have created 11 repositories. So, we have divided some of the important features into a different repos so that we used it as a microservices. So, we divided, like, for example, like for front end, we created a repo here with all these. We use the Next.js. The next, similarly for like mobile app, also we have implemented, and then agentic AI. So for this agentic AI and the chatbot, we have implemented this TM Flow DSL. That's a domain specific language, not to solve this agentic problem, and messaging models. So these are the different repos. The next up, all these services, we try to push it, create as a Docker image and try to push it into the Azure. We automated it. So this we used, and here we created a Azure container registry and pushed the Docker images uh, into the respective repos. So container registry, like we created for the front end, and we pushed it, and we have got the images. So this latest images, we are just using it in the web app services, the app services. We created one for the front end and one for the back end. So based on the images created here, we have deployed. So we are pulling the respective images by specifying uh, here the details of the image and the image tag, and the registry names are being done. So similarly, even for the backend, also we have deployed the web services, and we use the custom domain. We added the domain name as a custom here as a TradeMinutes.app, and then we are using the application. So this is how we automated our application Trade Minutes. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's go about what TradeMinutes application is all about. So what TradeMinutes actually is like if you want help with Python, let's say, you can take help from a human, or you can use a AI agent that people have configured on this website and take help from that. Okay, so we have two options for that. And for both of them, you don't have to pay anything. What you do is like you exchange skills. You exchange your skill. Let's say you are very good with Node.js, or you're very good with cooking, or you can teach French. So you exchange those skills with the other person. You get time credits. The other person redeems his time credits, and they can redeem your service. So I'll just show you how this application works. So when you come to the front page, you can see you can have a search bar here. You can look for the services from here. You have a lot of categories here. You can search by these categories, and you can see how it basically works. You have the trending services here. You can go to that particular service from here also. And there are other things, testimonials and blogs and all that we have on a basic page. So we'll just search for Python here, and we can see like there are three services that you can actually choose from. Let's say I want to learn AI in Python. You can click from here. It'll basically show you the service and all the details of that particular service. So give it a second. It should load. Yep. So once the service is loaded, you can see like in the basic one, you can have for 20 credits. In the standard one, it will teach you for like for 14 days. For premium one, you can take for 30 days, like that. Similarly, if you go to browse services, you can see all the services that people are offering. You can filter it out from here. Let's say I filter out tech and digital services. Oh, okay. Let me just check. Yeah, it worked now. So let me when we select a tech and digital services, we can see like the Python things are coming here, or the services related to Python. And also we have this AI agent feature here that is very unique to this website. So what actually happens is like people can configure their AI agents and you can use them. So whenever you're going to use this AI agent, so let's say you want to chat with that particular AI agent, so you can chat with that particular AI agent, and for that particular session, it will cost you some credits that the owner has set. So for this AI agent, it costs 2 credits. So when you click on continue, you can go to this particular AI agent, and let's say I want to ask it to create a poem on winter. So yeah, we get a like poem related to winter, and you can see that my 2 credits were deducted from here. And when I go to this page, on this top also I can see two credits were detected. Perfect. So let me just take you to my dashboard, and let's see what all services are there. So here we can see that the dashboard is here. We can see the credits, the service completed, the recent services that I had, the recent activity that I've done. And inside my AI agents, this is the AI agent I have created. So I'll show you what how it works, but then I'll just go through all of these things and I'll just come back to that AI agent thing. So my listing is similar to that one. You can create a listing here. I'll just show you how to create a listing here. Let's say I want to teach Node.js. So I'll just search. Yes. Okay. I have to enter a location. Let's say it's related to this one. I'll be teaching in person. So here you have to fill in the basic, standard, and the premium tier. I'm just going to give a demo thing for now. And once you have clicked on create listing, your listing will appear here. And let's say I have another user here who is browsing the website. So he goes to the all services. He can see that the Node.js application is here, like services here. So he can go inside this one, or she can go inside this one and can book, let's say, a package. He or she is available on, let's say, mm, yeah, AM she's available, and let's put this to PM. So they are available for 12 hours between 4:27 a.m. to 4:27 p.m. We can confirm this booking. Perfect. So you can see that the booking has been confirmed. As soon as we go here and we refresh on the other person's page, we can see the notification here. You have a new booking request. So when you click on this one, so you can see that inside the pending one, it says I'll teach you Node.js. So you can confirm this. You can click on confirm. Okay. And when we go to the other person's dashboard, you can see they got a notification here that the booking has been accepted. Now, when the booking is completed, let's say I've completed this task when they were available from 4:27 to 4:27 p.m. On this day, we completed this task, so I'll mark it as completed. So once it's completed, now what happens? I can see another notification that it's marked as completed. So I'll go to book my me. I can see this was completed. I can give a review. So how the reviews look is like when I go to my reviews page, based on the task, let's say this I'll teach you Python, it will show you all the reviews that were there, and all the reviews also will be fetched here. Similarly, going to my bookings, this is a new booking, all the bookings that I have received and booked by me. These are the things like I have booked for, like the services I have booked. Okay. And this is the earning dashboard. So my current balance is 1678. So this is my earning dashboard. Let's say it falls below 100, then we can select from these packages. When we click on this one, the Stripe dashboards open up, the checkout thing opens up, and then we can redeem this one. So I've just canceled it for right now. It would have success, the credits would have increased. Perfect. Now let's go to the client directory. So inside this client directory, we have all the users that we connected with, or the people who have connected with us. Okay. And when we go to the notifications one, these are the things we received right now. All the notifications we have, we can sort it by unread, read, booking, and booking accepted on all those things. And not to make it too crowded, we can remove all of them also. Yeah. And finally, we come to messaging. So the messaging works in using WebSockets. So that's why it takes a little bit of time to load. Just give it a second, it will load. By the time it is loading, I'll quickly show you the AI agents thing. So in order to create an AI agent, what we do is like click on create AI agent, and we have a workflow here. Okay, so we click on input. Input is the variable that we are going to give. and actions is what the variable is going to do. And then we have an output. This is the output that the final thing will happen. So inside this input variable, let's say we give a variable topic, name as topic. Okay, we save this one. And now let's say write a song for this topic. So this is using Mistral AI right now, and this will write a song for this topic, whatever input we are going to give in the chat application. So it will take that and create a song for this topic. And finally, if you want it as plain text, markdown, downloadable as PDF and all, we can use that. Right now we are going to keep it as plain. Then we will save it. Let's say I want to save it as uh, song AI agent. And for the credits, I'll just keep it as 2. If you keep it as 0, then it will be free to execute. And if you want to keep it open source for people to use it, you can keep it as 0. If you use it as 2, then every time they're opening this AI agent, it will charge 2 credits. So we can see the workflows was successfully saved. When I go to my agents, I can see it here. Okay, so you can try it here, or you can also go back and edit the workflow. Another cool feature of this agent workflow is like we created a domain specific language so that people can actually write anything here, and it will automatically create a workflow here. And also when you're done with this one, let's say we have created this particular uh, workflow, you can see how the DSL is working. So here we have the topic that is the input. The execute, what is it generating? It's generating a song plus a topic plus the Mistral. Mistral is the API AI model that we are using, and the text file will be named as output, and we will get that. So you can always copy this DSL and then you can use it, or you can download that DSL also. And also you can AI pass this to use it. Like you can simply give something like create a blog post for me, save it as PDF, so it will create that workflow for you. So when once we have created this AI agent, like I showed you previously, if the person goes to that AI agents page, yeah, so they can use it from here now. And the final thing what we have created is a mobile application. So this is the mobile application we have. I'll just refresh it. So you can see here, this is the I will available task. I will teach a Node.js right now. We created it here. So we can see we can book the service from here. If you book the service, we'll get that standard premium and basic standard and premium package from here. And if you go to stats, you can see your credits. You can see the recent services that you had done, the recent activities. If you go to messaging, you can send a message. Yes, I forgot about showing the messages also. So this is the message task. Yeah, so from here you can actually send messages, and you can chat with the other person. So it will be based on that particular service that you are providing. So for this one, I'll teach you Python coding. So this is the particular service that you are sent. You can type a message and send it from here, and simultaneously you will receive it from this messages tab. And for the booking, you see we have completed this one here. We have completed this, so we got credits of 10 and 20, so it will be here. I haven't booked anything from here. Oh yes, I have booked something. I will teach you Node.js, so it's showing here. Perfect. And from the sidebar, we have the agents listing, profile, earning dashboard, reviews, client directory, notifications, whatever we had on this particular page. So everything is visible here. So basically, to sum up, this is the Trades app application. That is like if you want to exchange a skill, or you want to get a service, you don't have to spend money on this one. So what you do, you create a skill, exchange it with others, and redeem that points. And whenever you want a service to be done, or whenever you want to give a service, you can redeem those credits. So that is for this demo.